Like giving thanks to earth, giving thanks to the heavens, to all these lovely elements, to the ancestors here, to give them our gratitude. And we are very happy to be here in Sardinia. And it's very special that we have tomorrow a ceremony of wedding, also here in Sardinia. Because we love this culture so much, about this wisdom of architecture and the wisdom of life and death. And so we can learn so much in our lives about ancient culture. And I invite you just to breathe and feel yourself, and we ask this special piece to maybe we get some insights, maybe we hear something, just to hear what is here, what kind of energy is here. And maybe you see those stones, and maybe you see faces, maybe you see little shadows, maybe a wind will come, because it's all alive, and even maybe the bones are away, but the spirits are not away. And sometimes they're very happy when we hear them and say, hey, great. It's like a praying. I pray to the heavens, I pray to the elements, I pray deep down to the wisdom of earth, the wisdom of our ancestors. And it's great to be here in Sardinia, because that's the old wisdom is stored in the architecture, and we can, when we study it, we learn much more about our European roots. And it's so good to learn I feel for this modern life, to get much more wisdom, to a life that is more integrated instead of stress or burnout.
This visit tonight, this wonderful visit, thank you. First of all, not only a pleasure, but also a big surprise, because I don't often have such fond and interesting visitors like you that teach me something new about the place in which I live and the people that came before me. So it was really a very interesting visit, a very pleasing visit, and thank you for the songs. And I always remember this visit, and I will talk about this visit to my colleagues and to the people who will come after. So, and of course, many wishes to you for everything, and have a nice day in Sardinia and wherever you are going in your life. Okay? For you too. Thank you very much. Thank you. I bless you all.
Ich lade euch einfach ein, euch auch mit diesem Ort zu verbinden, wenn ihr möchtet. Das ist ein ganz besonderer alter Heilort hier, Kraftort. Hier sind Einweihungen stattgefunden, das ist hier auch ein besonderer Stein. Über uns werdet ihr gleich sehen, gibt es Domus de Janas. Da wurden teilweise auch Schamanen und andere beerdigt. Und dann in Embryonalhaltung, und nach 2 Jahren waren die Knochen wieder weg durch den Stein, weil die gesagt haben, es ist ein Übergang, das Leben und der Tod ist ein Fluss, und wir gehen zurück zur großen Erde Mutter. Das ist hier ein sehr, sehr tiefes, altes Heiligtum, und auch ganz alte Siedlungen, uralte Siedlungen hat man hier drumherum, und deswegen haben wir uns diesen Ort hier ausgesucht, weil viele auch hier sehr tiefe Heilung erfahren haben, viele Menschen, die waren einige.